How to enable HVCI for Valorant. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable HVCI, also known as memory integrity for Valorant. If you're getting a warning about security settings, this should fix it. So let's get started. First, go to your search bar and type run, then open it. In the run box, type msinfo32 and press OK. This opens the system information window. Now scroll down and look for virtualization-based security or hypervisor. Make sure it shows as enabled. If not, you'll need to enable virtualization in your BIOS. Once that's good, head back to the search bar and type device security. Open it, then go to core isolation and click core isolation details. Here, you'll see memory integrity. Make sure this is turned on. If it's off, toggle it on and restart your computer if needed. Next, go to the search bar again and type edit group policy, then open it. Inside, navigate to administrative templates. Then go for the system. Now to the device guard. Double-click, turn on virtualization-based security. Set it to enabled, then click apply and OK. Finally, close everything, restart your computer, and launch Valorant again. Everything should now be working perfectly. And that's it. If this helped you out, give the video a like, and I'll see you in the next one.